Hi everyone, I am back on Instagram Live, and yes, it's been a long time and it's been ages, in fact, and a lot of festivals have passed by, but I couldn't come live, so sorry for that. And a lot of people were telling me to come live, so here I am finally. And to start with, let me put it this way: this is my evening because we've been shooting back-to-back night shoots. So I just woke up around 6 or something, 6 p.m. in the evening, and we are back to shoot right now, and we'll be shooting till early hours. I would say like 7 a.m. or something, 8 a.m. So that's how it's going on, and it's going good. I'm shooting for web right now for Hero, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. But it's good to see everyone out there, and hope you guys doing really well and really good for Yisu. And also I know it's COVID time. I know it's just the hell lot of confusion whether people should be inside their houses or should step out, meet their friends, work. But to a point, to an extent, we should be positive and we should be getting out. We should be getting out with all the safety and precautions, and make sure that our loved ones are protected and our work is happening. Hey Abhilash, kaisa hai tu? Yeah, in fact, congratulations for your singing, and I've heard multiple times, and I appreciate your talent. I've in fact appreciated you very well. So all the best for that. Congratulations, and I shall see you soon. And yes, I will see you. I will meet you soon. So yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? Hi, how are you? So if anyone wants to ask any sort of questions, please go ahead. I'll be glad to answer them. I'll try to answer them. And I'm shooting right now for the web, just to let you know what I'm up to right now. Okay, I should rather start taking names of people. Let's see. Arya Thakur. Thank you, Arya. Thank you so much. So yes, of course, let me put it this way, that I would like to thank all the Parthians for supporting me, for bringing me all the love. And also I heard that we crossed 1 million hashtags of Parth Santan, so which is really great. It's an achievement altogether, because there you see so much of love coming from across all over India, and not only India but also all over the world. So it's great to see that, and thank you so much for giving me all the blessings and all the love possible. Yes, so Miss Prajapati, there I took your name. Hi Shivani, hi Nikita. So a lot of people are asking me, is season 4 coming of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan? Unfortunately, I've been shooting back to back with Hero. Can't say much on that, but let's see. I don't know. I don't even know what Neeti is up to. Apparently, we get to know through social media that she's getting married and all. It's surprising, but yes, it's great. I'm really happy for her. And yes, we're in touch, but we just not able to meet up or not able to catch up. But we'll soon meet up, and I hope that she deserves all the happiness after marriage. So yeah. So the question, my web series, when is it coming? So for now, till December 24th we're shooting, and then Jan May we're shooting some 5 to 10 days, a week max, and then hopefully in the month of March or April we'll get to see the show, and fingers crossed the show has lot of action and lot of drama and lot of chaos and romance and lot of kick-ass gangster stuff. So I hope you guys will watch it. I hope you guys will like it, and of course feedback is appreciated much. So let's see, let's wait for that. Hi Nancy, hi, how are you? Muskan Chaudhary, hi Muskan, hey, hi. Priyanka Gupta, there you go, hi. Hi Zahin, Pragya. So any one of you has any sort of questions for me, you can go ahead, you can ask. I will try to answer. What's your character name in Hero? So my name is Nawab in the show, and as it belongs to a character from Meerut, from UP, and he hails from there, and he comes down to Bombay, and then his journey. The show is all about that, of how he gets into all the gangster stuff, the boys and the gang, and how he grows himself, the journey of it. Thank you so much everyone for your blessings you've been wishing. Nawab Mia Bhai, Assalamu alaikum. When are you coming to Pune? I was in Pune for Diwali with my family, because that's what I feel, that Diwali is all about spending time with your family. So yeah, I had a great time, and now I'm back over here. So let's see, after Christmas and New Year's I've taken off, so possibly I'll travel somewhere. Let's see. Hopefully not India, but somewhere out. I don't know. I think I deserve a break, because everyone deserves a break basically. During this COVID, we're not able to travel anywhere, especially international. So let's see. Hi Tony. Hey Sana, hi. How is your hero shoot going? My shoot is going really well, although it's hectic, but we're shooting night shoots. We're having some crazy dance scenes and some party scenes, and we're having good fun. And it's great to meet new bunch of people, new talent, and also we have a huge gang, huge cast over here, like at least 15-20 of them shooting together, and it's nice. It's nice to know new people, new talents, and there you come to know that you're so blessed, because a lot of people come together to make a show happen, and a lot of people are putting a lot of efforts in it. So yeah, it's not easy to make a web show or any television show or any film for that matter. Hi Sabita, hi Kisu Wasrani, hi Itu. What's up? Hey Gauri, hi. Anita, hi everyone. DY Yadav, there I took your name. Thank you so much. So people are asking me that am I shooting something with Erica? I don't know. For now to know, but she's been shooting something on YouTube, and she's very talented when it comes to creating content over it, and I appreciate that, and I've appreciated her in fact, because she has a lot of creative sense when it comes to promoting any brands or anything for that matter. And I'm equally bad because I'm totally occupied with work and shooting and everything, so I don't much get time. Hi Kushi, hi Nisha, there I took a name. Geeta, hi Geeta. आप मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? Erica, there you go. See, you live 100 years. People just asked about you and you are like big fan. Yes, you are. I know that. Thank you so much. When will I work with Neeti Taylor? Like I said, I don't know. I've been caught up with my current show, and let's see. Once we both get time and the makers are ready to make the show again, season 4. Hi Vaishnavi, hi Dr. Himani. What else? Just ask me any question or anything for that matter. Say Chirkut. There you go. Chirkut. Hi Kirti, what's up? Yeah, Riba, hi. Okay, please notice me part there. I missed your name. Sorry. The names are going quickly, so I'm not able to register one particular name. Hi Ash. Hey Amisha, hi. So give me one chance to act in your show. So Erica has been asking me to give her one chance to act in my show. Well, let's just say that I've worked with you for 2 years. Isn't that enough, Erica? small role will also do. Well, let's see. We have some crazy dance performances happening over here. I think you should be a part of it because you're good with your dance moves. So yeah. Divya, hi. Shraddha, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey Kavya, hi. Hi Lija, James. Krishna, hey. What's up? Hi Sheetal. How are you? Hey Pammi, hi. कसौटी ज़िंदगी का शो कब स्टार्ट होगा? वेल अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट that is not happening because we move on. The project is done now and we're done for good, and we had some great time shooting that space. In fact, today is my Baba's birthday, on-screen Baba Uday Tekekar. So I wished him. We just had a group chat with me, Sahil, Pooja, and everyone, and we had some good laugh over it. And Baba is in Mahabaleshwar right now, enjoying with his family. So yeah, we're pretty much in touch with all the actors on the show. Hi Shraddha, hi. Hey Rudrani. Yes, Erika, I actually wished Baba. Don't worry about that. Of course I remember his birthday. Swati, hey, hi. Omna, Ayantara. Thank you so much, Anu. Done with your hero shoot? No, hero shoot, I think December 23rd. We are finishing a good chunk of it, and Jan will be shooting for some 5 to 6 days, possibly, and then we are done. You didn't add me, how me? Well, it was Shubhi's call, so I think you should rather ask Shubhi, Erika, about this. Ethel, hi Ethel, what's up? Hi Madhumita. Well, I'm not able to register, even I missed everyone's. Hello sir, hi, hi, hi. Please show me your mug. Well, there you go. It's Thanos mug. If you're a Marvel fan, you'll understand. Hi Revati, what's up? So for now, right now I'm shooting for Hero, and it's a night shoot, and I'll be shooting till morning, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. possibly, and we have a last day over here at this particular location, and then we'll be shooting in Bandra for our aage ki scenes. Bye Erika, bye. I'll see you soon, very soon. We'll catch up, and we'll have our serious discussions, serious conversations about life. Hi everyone. Well, any questions that you guys have, you guys can go ahead and ask me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Shweta, hey, hi. Any other project with Indie Taylor? Well, let's just focus on season 4 right now rather than any other project, because that is taking hell lot of time to make that happen. So yeah. Hi Fazan. Hey buddy. Hi. What's up? आप बहुत ज़्यादा फूडी हो शायद. Yes, I am pretty much foodie because all I think about is मैं डिनर में क्या खाऊंगा, मैं लंच में क्या खाऊंगा, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट क्या करूंगा, and I just keep thinking कि ये अच्छा खाना है, but I have to keep a control on it. I have to keep a check on it, because obviously being in this field you cannot just overeat or eat excessively. So yeah. Sir, मेरा next show. Okay, so there you go. So after Hero, possibly, hopefully, inshallah, I'll be doing a film, and let's see. And I don't want to give it out that what film I'm doing right now, because it's too early to say. But yes, I'm doing a film, and TV I'm not doing for now. So I won't be doing television for now. I'm sorry that you guys won't be able to see me very soon. But yes, you'll be able to see me in Hero very soon, and post Hero, inshallah. In a film. Yeah. Can you say something in Arabic? I don't know. I mean, Assalamu alaikum. No, that is good too. Arabic is Wallah Habibi. इतना ही आता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आता. In fact, I'll have to visit the Middle East countries once the COVID thing gets done to learn more Arabic. Speak Marathi once. काय बोलू, तुम्ही माझ्याशी मराठीमध्ये बोला, मग मी तुमच्याशी मराठीमध्ये बोलतो. आणि जास्त मी बाहेर बोलत नाही आणि इथं आपलं मुंबईमध्ये पण बोलत नाही, पण मी माझ्या फॅमिलीसंग बोलतो, आईसंग बोलतो मराठी आणि मस्त बोलतो, स्पष्टपणे बोलतो. आणि इट्स दॅट लँग्वेज दॅट इट जस्ट कनेक्ट्स यू विथ युअर फॅमिली. Who is your best friend? So I don't have one particular best friend. I have many best friends. I have many good friends, close friends. In fact, I have Nitin. I have Scarlett. I have Pooja. I have from the people that you know of. I have Irshad. I have Darshan, and even Amna for that matter. We've been in touch since I was tested positive for COVID, and she helped me a lot regarding food and all. And she was very caring, she was very understanding in that, so I totally respect her for that. And so we had a great bond over that. And yeah, I've been catching up with a lot of people, and also I have made a lot of new friends when I was in Goa back then. 1 month I was in Goa and enjoyed thoroughly. I enjoyed like anything because like I said, we all need a break, and I was off Kasauti was done. So yeah, we were actually traveled a lot over there. We were with my friends, and day in and day out, we were enjoying. We had great fun, good views, good beaches, good food. Yes, food, how can I forget? Every day we were visiting some or the other cafe, and we were enjoying some lovely food over there. You guys must try out if you're in Goa. So I'll mention some couple of places, although I know you haven't asked me, but still letting you know, when it comes to food, I can tell you, if you guys go to Goa, please go to this place called Jamun in Vagator. It's lovely. It's Vagator and Anjuna. It's amazing. The food is amazing. You'll love it. So there's one place called Vagator Bistro Vagator. You can visit. You have some great Italian food over there, and good desserts, good presentation, and lovely service. Also, apart from that, Baba Olaram. I'm sure if people have been in Goa, they must have visited this place by now. So yeah, these are 3 places. People are asking me, do I like Korean dramas? Well, let me put it this way. I've watched a lot of Korean cinema, and I feel the romance over there is at par. I mean, we should actually take inspiration from them, because the way they make it, the purity and the innocence that they have over them, it's so nice and beautiful, and so emotionally connected. So I love Korean cinema. I love Korean dramas. I've seen a couple of shows, in fact 4-5 shows, very good shows. And I've watched a lot of films, in fact, in Korea, from Korean. So yeah. Well, hey Alice Kashyap, hi. My favorite song. So my favorite song right now, currently, for the past 2 months, I've been listening to one song, Allah Ke Bande, and I have even mentioned it in my profile. And I love this line, beautiful line. When one day in Goa, I remember when I was very emotionally low, and I was listening to this song, and this song just inspired me like anything. Just letting you guys know that the line is so beautiful, that Allah ke bande has de zara, jo bhi ho kal phir aayega. So it literally means that whatever you've been through today, or whatever you're going through, don't worry. Just be calm. Tomorrow will be a better day, and tomorrow you can smile. Right now, just let it go. So that is how you should live your life, because life is not about just living happily, because then it becomes monotonous and boring. Life is all about of course having problems, because everyone has his problems. Everyone has some or the other problems. Life is all about solving them and living a life. So there you go. If you're stressed about your current scenario, about COVID, about the financial aspects, just make sure, have patience, and things will be fine. Nothing is permanent. The only permanent thing in this universe is constant change. So change is very much constant over here, and you will have to be patient enough, like I have been patient enough in this field. And it takes time to what you want to achieve, what you want to conquer, but you have to be focused for it. So yeah. People who have been having boards and all the best for that. And unfortunately, the college and school timings have been really tough right now. God knows how they are doing their online courses, because during my time, and of course, we never even had any such projects regarding online stuff. Whatever was happening online, whatever was happening, it was happening face to face. The teachers were there right in front of us, so we were pretty much used to that. But the generation has changed, and due to COVID also, you'll have to do it everything online. So it's very difficult for people, because it's not easy to focus and concentrate on one particular frame, on one particular screen for the longest time. I mean, we are humans after all, and they are kids, and they need their breaks, and they need their time off. They cannot be focusing on one screen for the longest time, and it just becomes very monotonous and boring. But anyway, all the best to them, and hopefully this shall pass soon. Hey Atrangi, hi. Hey Melena, hi. Hi Prerna, hi. Hey Komal. Spanish, it's been the longest time I've spoken Spanish, because it's just that whenever I try to learn Spanish, it's just there's no person that I can talk to, who I can relate to, who I get Spanish from, and then I can keep talking to, and then you get habituated towards it. So, ¿cómo estás? Hola. Buenos días. Hey Ashvi, hi. Long time. I know you're in Jaipur. We shall catch up very soon once you're back in Bombay. Hey Ramesh, what's up, buddy? Hi. Hi Margi, hi. Hey Shruti, hi. Ria, hi. Kasa आहेस तू? मी एकदम बरा आहे. You have to learn Spanish. Yes, Scarlett, I have to learn Spanish because no one speaks Spanish. Because even you don't speak Spanish. No one speaks Spanish, so no one gives me that company that I should be getting into. Hey Mohit, I'm great, bro. I'm great, bro. How are you, man? And we shall catch up very soon. Hi everyone, hi Priyanka. So I have a question for you guys, and it's very, you can be very honest to me, and you can be very blunt. I don't know whether you've seen me singing, whether you have listened to my voice when I sing. Of course, it's been ages since I sang a song last time. So you think I should get back into singing, or I should try singing? Because a couple of friends of mine recently who I met, they actually heard me singing, and they were like, why don't you get into singing? So I was like, no, that's something that I left a long back, and I can't do it. So I don't know, I mean, you guys think, should I give it a thought over singing? Let me know. Sing more often. Yes, Scarlett. Once you're there, I will sing. But if you go to Dubai and stay there for the longest time, not happening. Not happening. Pisceans are creative. That's true. Pisceans are very much creative. Well, let me put it this way. Let me tell you guys that the hairstyle or the look that I'm having right now belongs to the 90s, and that's why I'm growing my hair. And it's the longest I've grown in my life. So the kind of length that I have on my hair, it's the longest. So it's very difficult to maintain. Hats off to all the girls, how you guys maintain it, because obviously you need to be in their shoes to face such circumstances, such scenarios. And I've seen this now, I'm witnessing, and although which each passing day I'm growing my hair every day, and it's difficult to maintain them, it's difficult to handle them. And I just hope that I get done with the show as soon as possible, then I can have a good haircut and get back to my normal me. Do I like Goan food? I love Goan food. In fact, in Goa, I had it every alternate day, literally. Vindaloo, Shakuti, Goan Pav, and Kafrial. Yeah, it was lovely. Hi Deepika, hi, there, I took your name. Naina, hey. So also very important, I would like to thank, and this is very important for me, I would like to thank each and every one out there, especially Parthians who supported me, who have given me n number of gifts and love and support like always, and you've been there since there with me since years. It's been more than 5 years in fact, and thank you so much for being there always for me. Thank you so much for being a strong support, a strong pillar, and you guys are genuinely my extended family. In fact, when I'm low or when I'm down, you guys inspire me. I see a lot of my fans appreciating my work, and that's what motivates me. That's what motivates any actor. Like I said in my last post, that any actor desires appreciation and love from fans, and if he or she gets that, nothing like it. So please continue your love and support for whoever you like, and we guys are there because of you. So please, thank you so much. Thank you all, and thank you Parthians. What else? Hi Nidhi, hi. Okay, so my coffee is over. I don't know since how long I am. Hi Ankita, hi. Hey Modi, hi. Aisha, there I took your name. My coffee is also over, and I don't know since how long I've been speaking non-stop. So I guess I should log off. Yeah, it's been quite some time. I don't know, I mentioned evening, but yeah, this is my evening. I'm sorry to say, because I've been shooting all night. So I woke up at say 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. in fact, evening, and then I had my breakfast. And I came to the sets, and I think this is the time that I got free for you guys, so that I can speak and I can connect with you. So it was good connecting with you. Hi Sheshta, hi. Hey Pranjal. Apart from saying your names, I hope that I was able to answer your questions, and I had a great time talking to you guys. Hi Shivangi. Hey, hi. Hey Kushi. Hi. Hey Kushi. Akansha, hi. Please talk in Gujarati. केम छो मजामा, इतना ही आता है भाई. इसके आगे हम गुजराती समझते हैं, हम बात नहीं कर पाते. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There I go. I know Gujarati. Yes. Hi Manchu. Hey. Hey Swarnaleka. Hey Nageshwar. Now please guys, don't expect me to talk in every other language, because I'm not so well versed with all the languages. Hi. Hey Ananya, hi. What's up? बेंगली भी बोल दो सी, मुझे लगा ही था यही बचा है. केमन आछे? आमी खूब भालो. So I've been seeing a lot of videos that is being made recently from my fans, from Parthian especially. So it's good, it's great work, and it takes a lot of efforts. So I respect for all your dedication. Thank you so much for putting across this to me, and I truly appreciate your hard work. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Hi Sumaya, there, you're not invisible to me. You're very much visible. Only I'm invisible because I belong to Marvel. Kidding. Hi Gangakshi, I'm sorry I missed your name. You mentioned please take your name. It's your first time, but I'm sorry I missed your name. Hey Tanisha, hi, what's up? When am I coming to Bangalore? Bangalore, where it's been quite some time, but I was there in the month of June. Of course, it was the COVID time and everything that we were not able to get out. So I was with my friends, secured and safe. But yeah, soon Bangalore, once everything becomes normal, we'll be able to free ourselves. We'll be able to go and meet everyone. Yes, that's a good question. Someone asked me when is my music video coming up, which I shot last month. So my music video supposedly will come mostly by first week of Jan 21, and hopefully that's a good start. Yes, it's been delayed, but it's been delayed for a reason, so that because it's December and the song is very much romantic, and December is a month that you guys want to go out, travel, party, and whereas romance is it takes a backseat altogether. And when January, February comes, you fall for you fall in love, you fall in romance, because Valentine's is coming, 14th of February is coming. So yeah, there you go. Jan will be a good time, and of course will be a great start for the year coming along. I hope that you guys love the song, and I hope you guys really enjoy the song because we really liked it. We really worked really hard on that. Who composed the song? I would just like to say that Jubin Nautiyal and Tulsi Kumar are singing in it. So yeah, let's see. Hi everyone. Hi. Hey Sakshi. Hi. Hey Samarpreet. What's up? Hello Mahi ji. कैसे हो आप? How was your wedding in Kashmir? Not your wedding, your friend's wedding. You know Ukrainian, come on, that's the limit now. You cannot expect me to know Ukrainian. Come on, I haven't even been to Ukraine. The only thing that I know about Ukraine is they play football because I follow football. I pretty much love football and I follow Premier League and European League and La Liga and everything. So yeah, that's how I know Ukraine because I watch football. Yeah. Hey Nishita, hi. And yeah. When will I come to Chandigarh? Like I said, let the flights get opened, let everyone be safe enough to travel. Of course, inshallah, I'll be traveling everywhere. Not only Chandigarh, but all parts of the country. People have been asking me from Assam, from Bengal, from Bangalore, from Goa I've been, from Pune, from Chennai, Jaipur, everyone, very soon, inshallah. Coming to Egypt, yes, I want to visit international. Like I said, I love traveling, so yeah. Let me see. Please invite me. I will definitely come down. Hey Sakshi, hi. What else? Hey Sasi. Hi everyone. Lots of love and blessings for you. Thank you so much. What's your fitness secret? My fitness secret is get yourself a trainer and make sure he pushes you, because if you are very lazy, which I am when it comes to working out, so yeah, he pushes me right across, and you need that someone to push you. You need that someone to take that effort so that you can give your 100%. But on the contrary, I've been doing yoga for a change. I did a couple of sessions yoga. I have never done yoga in my life, and I've posted some pictures also regarding yoga, and a lot of people have appreciated for it. So yeah, in fact, a lot of my friends were telling me to do yoga for the longest time. Even Erika, for that matter, she had told me to do yoga, but I was in a way because I believe in more of running activities, because I play a lot of sports. So I thought that yoga is very much boring, but I was mistaken, and I'm sorry to say, and I take my words back, that yes, it's really good, and it makes you fresh, it makes you lighter, and it makes you calmer also. So yeah, thank you so much, and I've been enjoying that yoga also. So someone asked me what's my height. Well, I am 6'1.5", so if that counts. If I wear my shoes, I'll be 6'2". Yeah, that's pretty much 6'2". People say that's a good height. Well, thank you for that, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Hey Komal Mahajan, I'm good, yaar. How are you? What's up? Do you like Karela? I love Karela. I have Karela ka sabzi, and I like Karela. My cook makes lovely Karela. Apart from that, in daily routine, I've been having aloe vera. I've started aloe vera a lot, and it helps my skin, my hair, and I eat aloe vera, and it's good that you eat it from the plant itself, so there's no contamination. So yeah, it's really good, and I've been looking after myself. I've been looking after my skin, my hair, and yeah, I'm enjoying the process. Hey Asiya, hi. Favorite place to travel to? Well, there are a lot of favorite places that I really wish to travel to. A lot of places are remaining. In fact, the world is huge, and there is Australia, there is New Zealand, there is Turkey, there is Egypt. Of course, I want to go back to US and spend some time over there. US is massive. And hi Madhvi, hi. Thank you, Gorika. Thank you so much for appreciating my voice. Arshia, there you go. Hey Arshia, hi. Anything else you guys want to ask? Because I'll be logging out now. It's been, hey Priya, hi. It's been quite some time. I've been talking non-stop and now I'm tired. My coffee's also over, and let's see. So people have been messaging me, wish to meet you someday. Well, inshallah, we'll catch up very soon. And it was great talking to you, and it'll be lovely once we meet up. Thank you so much for spreading so much of happiness, so much of love, and please, like I said, please be patient enough. Whatever problems or issues that you're going through in your life currently, trust me, everyone is going through it, and it's not something new that it's only happening with you. So don't curse yourself, don't curse God that why is it happening to you, because it's a tough time. I understand, but like I said, you got to be positive, you got to be strong, and each day as it comes, and tomorrow you will have a better day, day after you'll have, in fact, a better day. So let's hope for the best, and keep smiling, always keep smiling. Don't let that sadness take over your take over you mentally. So yeah, it's very important to have that strong mind and strong willpower. So please focus on being good, focus on spreading positivity, and focus on spreading love and happiness everywhere, with your family, with your loved ones, with your friends, anywhere. Thank you so much for having me over here. I love you everyone. Love you, Pranjali. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yuvika, #Hamesha. There you go. Thank you so much for having me over here. It was lovely talking to you guys. It was lovely answering your questions, and it was lovely giving you some sort of gyan that can motivate you currently, because we all need it. So yeah, I've been enjoying my life, working out, and also working on the sets, and we'll catch up very soon, inshallah. In fact, in a couple of days, or in some days when I'll come back live. And yeah, it was great talking to you guys. It was great knowing you guys. It was great taking your names, and please, all the best for your life, and we'll catch up very soon. And please do good. Like I said, spread love, spread positivity, be happy, and I love you guys. I love you. There you go. And thank you so much. Thank you. Cheers. Love you all. How do I end this? I don't know. How do I end live chat? That's the question. Oh, I got it. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.